Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today the 2022 Mahindra Pik Up, stock number 7300. It's ran from the 5th 2021 to the current shape. There's an HG94 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the HG94 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard 1 dent, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory Mahindra tyre, right rear 16-inch factory Mahindra tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front 16-inch factory Mahindra tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,